Hey everybody, High Desert Observer. I'm just walking out here along Wilson Avenue, starting at the outside corner of the Vince Ganna Stadium. And you gotta be careful, it's kind of treacherous here. But there's something down the road that I've been wanting to get a shot of because I find it to be hilarious. So we're just gonna walk down the side of the road here. Gotta step around this thing, and then I guess here's a good enough place to stop because we kind of got to. But as you can see, it says Wyson westbound, closed May 15th. And yeah, it's a misspelling because it's not Wyson, it's Wilson. They must have run out of room or something and forgot the L. But I thought that was funny. So anyway, this is Brandon with High Desert Observer. I'm just out here looking.